little too deep, so I'm just trying to get the grass off. Hopefully we see a little bit better on this one here. So I got to figure out how to just scrape the top off and not dig so deep. So I'll move this out of the way and then try it again. Well, it appears that I got more than one bucket left here, but I kind of threw my back out a couple weeks ago, cleaning out moving some hay bales around, and this grass is pretty heavy, and I don't want to make any more trips than I have to. So we'll see if I can get it all in. Fans of farm life. This is a little post-production, and I'll throw it in the end. As you can see, it's a little grayer today than it was when I was out here digging this up. But anyway, this is basically what the end result was. You can see the blueberries over here. We're going to plant another line, maybe 2 blueberries in here. So as you can see, some of this here, basically at the end, you know, I got down scraping about like this much. If you don't get all the way down, like you see these weeds in here, you know, weeds just come up right through the grass. You can see it. The only thing left basically in here are the weeds with the long roots. Just get the rototiller in here and rototill stuff up. But anyway, this is end result. I started out digging way too much, and as you can see, with my backhoe on the tractor, I ended up doing kind of starting here and going backwards with the backhoe until I got all the way down to here, and then I hit the little solar panel, so I had to turn around and then dig from this way back that way. So anyway, it worked out good. I'm gonna go in and take just wanted to see end result. I didn't actually film any of that at the time. I had some other things going on, so this was the end result of scraping up all that grass. Just gonna get this ready for blueberries. I think in the video I said blackberries, but it'll be blueberries. Fans of farm life. So doing this blueberry excavation, use the 370B backhoe, John Deere. It was my second really use of it. I did dig out a small stump just to see how it worked. And you'll hear in the background these guys, because they're always at it. They're either 0, well, this dog, yep, she's 0 to 100. So she's either 0 or 100. Anyway, so back to the backhoe. I did use it to dig out a small stump just to test it out, because I've got a larger stump I want to dig out. Some of the features on this, it's pretty easy to use. The controllers, it's got all of the instructions right here and here on the directions that they go. Honestly, I didn't even look at that while I'm operating it. Just it goes you know, I just hit this, and if it goes whatever it does, I just kind of figured it out like that. It's got the 2 downriggers, 1 on each side. Their levers are right here. One of the features on here is this little latch right here. Holds it in. I guess that's something new for this 370B. I guess in the past, these downriggers would just go down by themselves. The controls, the seat, it's a pretty comfortable seat. It's not adjusting. Only thing it does, it lifts up like so. What I don't have on here is a step, which I think I should have right about here. I don't know, maybe you can fit your foot in there. I can't. So it's basically a long reach up to here. So I'm gonna have to try to see if I can buy a step for that. Other than that, worked great. The controls, like I said, were a little shaky just because I didn't know, you know, basically how to use it. One of the other features in here are these pins. Just locks it in so this doesn't move around while you're driving. Won't go down when the pressure's, you know, it's not like your bucket. If you leave the bucket up, it'll eventually just go down when the pressure releases. So that's a good deal. One of the other things on this backhoe that I liked, ease of use. Just get in the seat, move the controllers. Like I said, in the clearing it out, it's quite long. So, I mean, you look at it from the back to the front, you know. So, I had, like I said, I had to turn around to do both of those because of the fence and stuff. And the only other thing is this arm reaches out, I think, 7 feet. I want to say 7 feet on this. So, that's pretty much how long you got to, you know, you just got to keep moving this. I guess that's the only drawback is if you're going to dig something big, which I'm going to dig a curtain drain this spring. It's probably going to be 50 feet, so it's a lot of digging and then driving. But other than that, it's a great backhoe. Some more videos coming out with it. Haven't taken it off the tractor yet. That'll be another video coming out, but from what I've seen and heard and read, all the instructions are right here on how to take it off, put it back on. Seems pretty easy. So that'll be another video to see how easy it really isn't. Anyway, that's a wrap for now. This is going to be in the front of the video, and then we'll do the video and then put the kind of doing all this in post-production. All right, that's a wrap. Farm life.